Believe me, it's going to clear your hyperpigmentation. The fake is everywhere. The citrus scent, if you get the citrus scent from me. Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Stella. Please hit on that subscribe button, join this amazing community. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to clear hyperpigmentation and dark spots using Kojie San soap. This particular soap, this soap, I'm going to explain how you can use it to clear your dark spots or your face, your body, how to use this soap to clear the hyperpigmentation and dark spots. But before I start talking about how to clear this hyperpigmentation and dark spots, you have to understand the main cause of hyperpigmentation. What's really the cause of this hyperpigmentation and dark spots on your skin? Because you can't really be treating what you don't know the cause, right? So hyperpigmentation is a common skin condition that happens to make some area part of your skin darker than other parts. It's just your skin producing too much melanin, trying to protect the skin cells from damages, and such damages can be sunburn, injury, which is your acne masses, your burn, your injury that you occur from other things, and melasma. These things makes your skin darker, and sometimes even some skin vitamins like vitamin B12, your folic acid, when you lack them in the skin, it also makes some area part of your skin look darker. Sometimes people in Africa are more likely to produce melanin because it's aware of their skin, protecting them from sun damages, how we are being created. Let's move to the main point of this video, how you can use your Kojie San soap. Kojie San soap is a good brightening agent because it contains kojic acid, and kojic acid is a very active ingredient when it comes to clearing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It can clear your hyperpigmentation like very fast. It doesn't waste time. It's not one of those active ingredients that waste time. Before you start using this Kojie San soap, you have to get a sunscreen, and SPF 30 to 50 is okay. Have a sunscreen before you start using this on your body, both your face, anywhere you want to use it. You have to have a sunscreen, a good sunscreen that matches your skin type. I'm going to start to explain how you can use it on your face. For your face, get a good gentle cleanser. A good gentle cleanser. This is not the time you should be using those your active ingredients on your skin, those salicylic acid. You don't really need those active cleansers on your skin days you want to use this on your face. So after washing your face gently, massaging and removing the excess dirt from your skin, then you go in with this Kojie San soap, apply it on your face and leave it there to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you wash it off. Washing it off is because you don't want it to stay on your skin for so long, and you cannot also rub it on your skin and just wash it off immediately because it has not yet penetrated into your skin. So you have to let it penetrate and do the work. After you rinse it off, you go in with your toner, your essence, your serum. Those things are meant to hydrate your skin. Please don't use any active ingredients. Don't use retinol, don't use azelaic acid. Those things can irritate your skin and make this more worse. That's when you start breaking out, start having acne, start having growing veins and every other thing. Focus on hydrating your skin. Even your moisturizer, anything you're going to use that period is meant to be hydrating. Ingredient that contains hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and everything hydrating. Once you are done during the day, you use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. Like, it's the first step. Before you start using this soap, you have to have a sunscreen. Use your sunscreen on your face every 2 hours. Reapply it during the day. You don't use sunscreen at night. This procedure is meant to be done at night, so your skin will not be exposed to sunlight. Do you guys get? So for your body, the normal regular way you have your bath using your normal bath soap, but you're going this time around, you're going to use your kojic acid as your soap. After washing your skin, you rinse it off, come out of the shower, use your moisturizer, your body lotion. Make sure it's a hydrating moisturizer. I know why I'm always talking about using a good hydrating moisturizer. Less irritates, it makes this to be less irritated, because this draw moisture from your skin, it makes your skin very dry. So after using it on your skin, you have to replenish the one that you took, meaning that you have to hydrate very well. After using your moisturizer on your skin, you can pair it with an oil, sunscreen during the day. This is just a way you can use this to clear your hyperpigmentation. Believe me, it's going to clear your hyperpigmentation. This soap has fake and original. The fake is everywhere. The fake of this soap is everywhere. So once you open the soap, once you open it and you perceive it, it has this citrus scent. If you get the citrus scent from it and you check the badge number, which is something you can search online and see that it's going to take you to something similar to it, you know that it's the original. If not, if you open it and it smells very harsh, it doesn't give you that citrus smell, that orange citrus smell, please, it could be the fake one. So you really have to be careful with the stores you're getting this. Go to a trusted store that you know that sells original things, so you don't get the fake one. And the fake ones are the ones that really give you that issues. Just be mindful where you get your Kojie San soap. If you genuinely use it the way I explained, it's going to clear your hyperpigmentation. And once you are done, make sure that you're using this 2 to 3 times in a week. It's not your regular soap. It's not the regular soap you use today, next tomorrow you are using it. You don't want to rip your skin of the good pH that is on your skin, because this is a very good active ingredient. It's not just a bar soap you start using every single day. Days that you're using it, remember not to use any other active ingredients. And that's how to use your kojic acid on your face. Nobody says you can't use it on your face. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. But if you have sensitive skin, you have very, very severe dry skin, don't use this. And even if you want to use it, let it be very like minimal part of it, once a day, twice in a week, just something like that. Or still don't use it, because it's going to irritate your skin if you have very sensitive skin. Like I said, it's a very harsh active ingredient. It's a very harsh soap to use on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin, so you don't get irritated and get damages from it. Anyway, this is how you can use Kojie San soap to clear your hyperpigmentation on your face and your body. Let me know in the comment section if you've used this soap, your experience with it. Was it nice? Did you enjoy it? And I will see you in my next one. But please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Join this amazing community. Let's get it over to 1,000 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.